Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel right from your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's get rolling. First, head to a video you want in your playlist. Let's say this one here. Below the video, click the three dots, then hit Save. A pop-up will show up. Scroll down and select New Playlist. Give it a name and set it to public, and click Create. That video's in. Now repeat for others, and you can add more anytime. Next, click your profile icon in the top right, then View Your Channel. Hit Customize, go to the Home tab, and click Layout. Add a section, pick Single Playlist, choose your new playlist, and place it where you want. Maybe below your videos. Hit Publish up top, then View Channel to see it live. And that's it. You've successfully created a YouTube playlist. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.